Hi, my name is Katie Bridges. I'm a senior data analyst for the City of Boulder's IT department. And today I'm going to be talking about downloading data from our City of Boulder Open Data website. I would highly encourage you to watch the previous video on sorting and filtering data. However, you can also just watch this one to learn how to download separately. We are using the same data set we used for the sorting and filtering, which is our Boulder Police Department response time. We've already added two filters here to look at where our call type was difficulty breathing and the year was 2021. We now have 206 records that correspond to that filter type. We would like to download this data to better understand it. To do that, in the left-hand side of the page where we used our filter button, right below that you will also notice a cloud with an arrow underneath it. When you hover over, it will say download. We're going to click that download button. When we do that, we will get several options. So at the top of the page, you will see there are 86,575 records. If you just choose to download without any other selection, it will download all of the records. However, if you'd only like to download the 206 records that you filtered to, you will want to make sure to check this option for toggle filters. That will ensure that what you download is only the data that you have filtered to. Otherwise, it will include all data. You can download data in several different file types, including a CSV, a comma-separated value, a KML, a shapefile, and a GeoJSON, which are good for working with geospatial data if you're using a tool like ArcGIS or any Esri product. Today, we're going to be looking at this data in Excel, so I'm going to choose the option for CSV. If I choose the download option under CSV, immediately it will tell me that my file generation is in progress. Depending on how many records you have filtered to or are in your data set, this might take some time to generate. Once this downloads, I will show opening this file in Excel so you can see how we could view this data in another tool once downloaded. Now you can see this data set automatically downloaded. It popped up in the bottom section of my browser here, and it is a CSV file. I can double click on that file, and because I have Microsoft Excel selected as my default tool for opening a CSV, it will automatically open in Microsoft Excel, and I can then do new analysis here to look at specific times. I can make charts, or I can look at different trends. Again, this is only our difficulty breathing in 2021, so you can see here we only have 201 records. I apologize, 206 records there. Now, back on our open data page, if you wanted to download this data again, say next week, to see what new cases the fire department had handled. Now when you go back to this page in your download options, you will see the option to download the file that you previously did, or you can generate a new file. If you choose to download the file, it will not take the time to generate the file and it will be much faster to download. However, it will only include the data up to the point at which you previously downloaded it. If in a week you would like to see all current data up to the point at which you will download, you need to select the option to generate new download with the latest data. Again, that might take some time to download to your computer, but once it does, you will see it in the bottom of your browser and you can choose to open it. If you are having problems opening it in Excel, or you are a Mac user who does not use Excel, you can also save this file. It will be in your downloads folder, and from a tool like Numbers or any other platform, Google Sheets, You can choose to then open that file from your computer on the Downloads folder, and you would still be able to view all 206 of these records in that tool as well. Hopefully this helps with downloading data from the City of Boulder Open Data website.